In this quick video, I'll show you how to put Japanese display name on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to change our name, firstly we need to tap on setting icon which is on top right corner, then click on settings, and once you open your settings, you can see this is my display name. I want to change it. So on the right side of it, you will see this edit icon. Tap on it and now type the name which you want to use now. So we want to use Japanese name. So for that, open Google Translate on your computer by simply searching here translate, and now type here the text which you want to use as your Japanese text. So I will simply type here my channel name. Once you type it, go to your language and change your language to Japanese, and I'll simply search here Japanese, select Japanese, and you can see this is the translation of my channel name. I'll simply copy it and paste it on your change display name. So I'll just paste it here by Ctrl V. Before you make any changes, make sure to note one thing, that you can only change your Roblox name once in a 7 days. If you change your name now, then you will be able to change your name after 7 days. Once you are happy with everything, tap on save and your name will be changed. I just need to refresh my Roblox here, and there you go, my name has been successfully changed. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.